You're bend forward at the waist. Is there any pain doing that? You know, this is what, you are familiar of this. But what's happening is the spine, actually, let me pull this off for you. Okay, so when we palpate down the spine, there we go. We're getting scoliosis like this is what's happening. So, as you can tell, that right side of the rib cage is raising up, and we're getting rotation like this. So what's happening, that left side of the ribs is coming forward, the right side's coming back. So I know a lot of this can be affecting, even breathing as well. You can have issues with that. So things that we're gonna do, we're gonna work on some structural adjustments. That Y strap adjustment today is gonna be really good because that's gonna just straighten everything up. So you'll notice that actually like right away after I do that adjustment. Okay. So now, movement there at that T1, just drop down a little bit right in through here, get that T2, there, and exhale out. One in, and exhale out. There we go, exhale out. There we go, like same thing there, lock them, yep. So I'm gonna lean you back onto me, I got you, and squeeze your elbows together for me. There we go. Stay relaxed. Oh. Relax there just for a moment. How'd that feel? To the ground for me. Easier doing that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a range of motion feels a little easier.
Okay. If you were to bring one ear to one shoulder.
Yeah, wow. I can't go much further. That's crazy, right? Yeah.
And then to the other side.
It's almost the same, yeah. It's not...
Yeah.
As far as I could go, or
yeah.
Like this is what you want me to do, or?
Correct, yeah.
Okay.
Is that painful?
Yeah, man. It
okay.
starts to get, it's not as bad. And then, you know what, I don't know if I told you this, my calves, my hamstrings, bro, they don't, they're locked, man.
Dang.
Totally locked.
Okay. What about going backwards like this?
Wow, my neck, yeah, for real. My neck won't even let me do it.
Okay.
It's crazy. I could do it in my back, but my neck won't let me go.
Gotcha.
Yeah, sure.
Deep breath in and exhale out. Walk a little bit here. Right there. One more time.
Oh, nice. Oh my God. Oh, wow.
A bit more. Okay. Let me see. Alright, so we got a little bit of... And out. Good. And out. Good.
Oh, good.
Good. Good. And out. And out. Good.
I was playing football for Newport Harbor High School, and we were playing a game where you hit a ball, and the ball's like it's like 10 times the size of a normal beach ball. Okay. And I dropped my shoulder, and someone else hit the ball, and it ricocheted to my neck. And now.
Can we give him his first adjustment here? Going back here. Okay, let's go here. Good. Okay, take your time. Good. Open the mouth. Perfect. And so I'm really familiar with this case. Good. On the side. Good. On your back. Fine.
कल हम लोग ने देखा था कि टीटन के पास से बहुत ज़्यादा ही एसकेस बना हुआ, बहुत ज़्यादा मोटा बैंड था, लेकिन आज हम लोग देख सकते हैं ये पूरा एक बड़ी काबू ढीला ढीला लूज टीएन को फिक्स करेंगे लूज अरे साइड टर्न करना और बाहर आना और बाहर सीधा हो जाना पेट के बल ऑफिस
त्या साईडला बघा या इकडं तिकडे बघा फक्त
हाँ बस
उचलू नहीं सकता
ये जो बॉयज है पहले बहुत इनको प्रॉब्लम था